How to see who logged in and is using your Instagram. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's open our Instagram application. Once you are here, you have to go to your profile on the bottom right and go for the three bars on the top right and simply go for its settings. Once you are in settings, if you have a Meta account center, you have to click on it, or if you have not the account center, you can simply go for this security. So in my case, I am going for this Meta account center. So once you are here, you have to go for password and security. Once you have entered here, you have to go for this where you are logged in. Simply click on that and click on your profile. Once you are here, you have to go for these other logins and you can see all the devices that are currently logged in with your account. So in order to log out them, you have to simply click on that and go for the logout, and it will log out them from your account. So that's how basically you can see who logged in and is using your Instagram.